Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Street Pressure Washing. Alright, we are set up here on another driveway in Dunedin, Florida. This U-shaped driveway hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. It does have a lot of algae buildup, especially up here by the garage door. As you can see, it's one of these coated driveways, so use a little bit lower pressure on everything, and then at the end we will put down a post treatment to make sure that all the algae and organic growth is gone. There you can see another view of its condition upon arrival. We do have our filter sock laid out and ready to go. We'll also get the sludge sucker out here ready to rock as well. But we are all set up and ready to go. Follow along. Alright, went and finished up my day and came back out here after this driveway has had a chance to dry for a little while. Wanted to be able to show the after effects once everything was dry, because this is actually a two-toned driveway. You can actually see where they coat everything and then they cut in these lines to look like stonework, and then the concrete is actually stained in the center to give it a more reddish look. Sometimes on camera that will look like it's still dirty or something like that. That's not actually the case. In this instance, what we have here is simply a coating that's on the driveway, and it is intentionally colored, tinted if you will, so that it does have that more decorative appearance. But there you have it. Everything is all nice and clean. Client is very happy, and we're off to another job site.